A warm welcome to my dear students. Myself Patel Arpita from Paramguru Pashala English Medium School, Sarsa. Today I am going to teach you Standard 7th Social Science Geography Unit number 1 Environment. Now our topic name environment. Now what we are going to study in this chapter. So we have here synopsis. It means that a brief description of this unit. So first we discuss about introduction, second meaning of environment, third components of environment, fourth threats of environment, fifth biotic and abiotic, sixth natural environment, seventh domains of the environment, eighth biosphere, ninth ecosystem, and at last human environment. Now before starting this unit, I am going to give you introduction of this unit. Here, after the long vacation, when Ravi started going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. People say that a huge building with many flats will be constructed there. Ravi was almost in tears when he realized that the big playground with its soft grass, marigolds, and butterflies is gone forever. He shared his feelings with his classmates. Even in the class, Ravi asked his teacher, "What is environment?" So the teacher said that whatever you see in your surrounding, that is called environment. So Ravi thought aloud. That means the school buildings, tables, chairs in the classroom, even that open field, the road, the garbage, my friends, all are parts of our environment? The teacher said yes. But wait, some objects are created by nature also. For example, mountains, rivers, trees, animals, etc. Others are made by people. For example, roads, cars, clothes, books, etc. Now we have question. How do human beings modify this natural environment? So I can say that the car fumes pollute the car. Water is collected in a pot. Food is served in vessels. And land is used to build factories. Human beings make cars, mills, factories, and manufacture containers. This is how human beings modify natural environment. Now we discuss about meaning of environment. So we can say that environment means the surroundings or conditions in which person, animal or plant lives or operates. We can also say that environment is the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism. It is a combination of natural and human made resources. Now we discuss about components of environment. So we can say that there are three components of environment. First, natural. The natural means natural surroundings. For example, air, water, land and living things. Now, second, man-made. It includes all things made by human beings. For example, buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, industries. Now, third, human. Human includes human related values and beliefs. For example, individual, family, community, religion, education, political situation, and economic sceneries. Now we discuss about threats to environment. Now, threats to environment means anything that can disturb or our natural environment. For instance, man-made things such as fumes are polluting the air, land is being consumed to build factories, etc. Now we discuss about natural environment. So we can say that the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic condition exciting on earth. Human environment reveals the activities, creations and interactions among human beings. Now, biotic, the word of living organism or all the living things. For example, plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, people, etc. Now, abiotic. It means the world of non-living elements. For example, rock, water, air, sunlight, wind, land and soil. Now, in the picture, you can see biotic and abiotic examples. Now, we discuss about natural environment. So, we can say that land, water, air, plants, animals makes the natural environment. We also know that the World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th of June every year. Again I am repeating: land, water, air, plants and animals makes the natural environment. We also know that the World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Now we have domains of the environments. So we discuss about domains of the environment. So domains are different layers of the environment includes lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and a biosphere. So first we discuss lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floors. Lithosphere is the domains that provides us forest, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture, human settlements. It is also a source of mineral wealth. Now we discuss about hydrosphere. The domains of water is referred to as hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organism. Now we discuss about atmosphere. Now the atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust, and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. Now we discuss about biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. Now, domains of the environment. So, there are fourth domains of environment. First, lithosphere, second, hydrosphere, atmosphere and a biosphere. Now we discuss about biosphere. So we can say that again I am repeating this thing. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life. Now we discuss about ecosystem. So first we have question, what is ecosystem? So we can say that all plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings from an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. Now, barter system, it means it is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. That is that glossary words barter system. It means it is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. Now we discuss about human environment. So we can say that human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They had simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With time, needs grew and became more varied. Humans learn new ways to use and change environment. They learn to grow crops, domestic animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started, and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large scale production. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Here I have read barter system emerged. So again I am repeating, barter system means trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. Now I hope that you understood the lesson our environment. Thank you.